Have the customer lay on the stomach, apply oil on back till waist, and push down on 风池 gallbladder 20 and 风府 do 16 acupoints 3 times. Rub governing vessel and bladder meridian with both hands 3 times. Alternately push governing vessel and bladder meridian with hands 3 times. The roots of both palms start from the major vertebra and alternately push governing vessel and bladder meridian. Lift from the lumbar side through the armpits in left-right order 3 times. Push from nape to 大阪经 with kneeling fists 5 to 8 times. Push from nape to waist with kneeling fists 3 to 5 times. Push downwards with hands spread and 虎口 pointing down on 大阪经 5 to 8 times. Do the same on the other side. Push with hands spread from scapula slot to shoulder 5 to 8 times. Do the same on the other side. Alternately push from shoulder to scapula slot with 虎口 3 to 5 times. Then push to sides of waist. Lift to armpit and slide to upper arm. Do the same on the other side. Apply RF cream evenly on back. RF shaping back. RF stimulates collagen regeneration, shapes the body, prevents sagging and relaxation after the fat is metabolized. Adjust parameters, adjust time to 15 minutes, energy to 50%, mode to Pro. Starting from governing vessel to bladder meridian, move the device from neck to 8 crevice area 3 to 5 times. Move the device in circles on 大椎 and the 8 crevice area 3 to 5 times respectively. From 大阪经 to neck, Move the device back and forth in left-right order 3 to 5 times. Lift the device on scapula slot in left-right order 3 to 5 times. Move the device horizontally as if writing an 8 to the 8 crevice area 3 times. Move the probe upwards in annular motion to armpit in left-right order on both sides 3 times. Lift from sides of waist upwards till armpit 3 to 5 times. Vacuum RF soothing and massaging. Vacuum RF dredges the channels, dispels dampness, detoxificates, firming, shaping the body, and relieves fatigue. Adjust parameters, adjust time to 5 minutes, RF energy to 40%, mode to normal, vacuum suction to 50%, mode 4, the intermittent mode. Move the probe from 大椎 do 14 to caudal vertebra 3 times. Move the probe from bladder meridian to caudal vertebra in left-right order 3 times. Put the probe on Tianzong small intestine 11, the middle of scapula slot. Increase the suction accordingly. Stay 3 seconds and release 3 times. Put the probe on 肩颈 gallbladder 21, the middle of 大阪经. Increase the suction accordingly. Stay 3 seconds and release 3 times. Operate the other side on 天宗 small intestine 11 and 肩颈 gallbladder 21. Readjust parameters to shape back and detoxificates. Adjust time to 15 minutes, RF energy to 50%, mode to Pro, vacuum suction to 50%, mode 1, the direct suction mode. Push the probe from scapula slot to armpit 3 times. Push the probe from neck to 大阪经 3 times. Push from 大椎 do 14 to 8 crevice area 3 times. Push from shoulder to bladder meridian to the 8 crevice area in left-right order 3 times. Lift from sides of waist to armpit 3 to 5 times. Lift the other side of waist 3 to 5 times. Wipe back with hot towel.